How to master affiliate marketing in no time. There is an abundance of advice on affiliate marketing. A lot of it comes from people who may be trying to sell you their knowledge, or who claim that for a fee they can bring you success. Thus, many people are skeptical about what that read. In this video we give you free, straightforward, no-nonsense advice on making affiliate marketing work for you. Before you select any affiliate marketing program, you should investigate exactly how each company credits sales that are made outside the confines of the website. If email or phone orders are not linked back to your ID as an affiliate, you could lose substantial amounts of commission. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. Affiliate marketing arrangements are most successful when they speak to your own personal interests. Seek out affiliates and advertisers whose products and services appeal to you personally. A salesman who genuinely believes in his product is always the most convincing salesman. By associating with partners that provide services you like, you can ensure that you will be enthusiastic and trustworthy in promoting them. Successful affiliate marketers work on a 4-to-1 formula for the best results. This simply means that 80% of their time online is spent marketing products and building up a strong base, while the other 20% is for goofing off or for checking out tutorial videos on how to market. The lion's share of your time should be devoted solely to working. Many people in the affiliate marketing world try to work too hard to become superb affiliates. Generally speaking, they attempt to sell more products than they can effectively promote, and ended dropping the ball on all of them. Remember that maximum results are very individual, and you need not always push so hard to try and compete. With time, if you don't try to cut corners, you'll put a program in place that works for you. In conclusion, you do not want to waste your time watching tips from supposed experts or regular people that have no experience. Try to be diligent in your efforts to execute this advice, and you will see an improvement in your program. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.